Metro 422 over.
I signed up for Walt's Hobby next
You
Wednesday.
did. I did too.
Me too. I did too.
I'm waiting for this message to call, but they should have been called.
You like Walt's Hobby?
Yes, I do. I do.
A nice place to go to.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should ask the bosses to build one of the new Lennox.
I bought what?
A Walt's Hobby.
Where's that?
I wonder if I'll ask them if they can build one of the new Lennox here.
They did.
With that?
I think they have one in Frankfurt.
Walt's Hobby?
Yeah.
Where?
I think it's in Flossmoor they built one.
Lossmore?
Hmm?
Where's that?
I don't know.
Lossmore?
Yeah, they built one out that way. Over
Huh.
there by Glenwood and stuff.
Glimmer?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know? It's a good thing I would have told you. And
Let me see, on my phone.
where did they build it? There's one location there. I don't know what this much of the
I wonder
location.
if they'll build one of the new Lennox here. I should ask the
Yeah, you should.
boss.
Whoever, do you know it?
Where? Is Walt's Hobby
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, do you know it?
Kinda do.
Huh?
I kinda do.
You kind of do. You know
But
the
not
what?
really, though.
Metro 422, Rock Island Road dispatch over.
Not really, though.
Not really.
But not really.
Just so I know.
What?
101, 162 is still good, no boys.
Is that
Metro.
your train radio?
Yeah, that's Metro. Catholic, that's a good deal. We even know right there. It's a good location with no right there. So they said,
How do you do